Well, it's that time of year when students have to choose their courses for next year. Very important for grade 11 and 12 students that they now need to start thinking of what they would like to do after graduation, as their choices of university, college, apprenticeship will determine what courses they will choose in grade 11 and 12. Before we start, I would like to show you our website. And at the top here, you see student services and course selection. And here you choose the tab for the year that you will attend next September. So for this one, I'll choose grade 11. Part 1 is how to research. Part 2 of the video will be a detailed description of the courses available. And you can find all kinds of information from graduation requirements, the math pathway, and right at the bottom is where you will find a detailed information link on apprenticeship, college programs, and university programs. In grade 11 and 12, the course codes are different from grade 9 and 10. Now we'll have course codes that finish with a U for university, which are acceptable for both college and university programs. You will have course codes with a C for college. And we also have courses that will finish with an M for mix, which is acceptable for both college and university. Now, we also have courses that finish with an O and that finish with an E, and those courses are open to all students, regardless of their future pathway. Again, very important, it's now time to prepare for your future by selecting or having a good idea of what you would like to do. It will help you in your course selection. First, if we look at the trades, apprenticeship, what is an apprenticeship? It is a post-secondary education pathway. And this one is a bit different because it will combine some job training while you're also going to school. So there are 4 sectors, as you can see here on the slide, just with some examples of what falls into those categories. Again, the website is at the bottom. It's also on the school website. I will note that most trades do ask for a college math or the equivalent, which can be a university or a mixed math. But for sure, they would need at least a college math in grade 12. And because most grade 12 classes, you need to have taken that class in grade 11, the prerequisite, students would now have to take the 3C math in grade 11. We strongly suggest to students who are interested in the trades to take co-op while they're in high school. The co-op teacher will place you with a company where you can gain some knowledge, some hands-on skills. You're also going to have the opportunity to be signed up as a participant of the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program that comes with many, many benefits. For college, if you're thinking of attending college, do you have an idea of what program you want? If not, let's take a look at the site at Algonquin. Very easy to navigate. You click on programs at the top. And here you've got some options. If you have no idea, I would suggest that you search by letter. You can go one letter at a time, and it will show you some programs. So for example, if I click on A, you scroll down, you've got accounting, you've got addictions and mental health, You could even look at aircraft maintenance technician, animation. So this is a great site to give you some ideas. Also, you could search by keyword, or you can search by department. So it goes by, there's the health department, there's a business department. You can explore that. But let's say you do have an idea of what you would like to know, to do. I know practical nursing is a very popular one. Sorry, I'm just going to go in the keys. Here's a little bit easier. So you look at your program, very easy here, practical nursing. It's offered at the Ottawa campus. It's a 2-year program. When you choose it, it gives you some information on the program. And what's very important right now to know are the admissions requirements over here. This will tell you exactly what grade 12 courses are needed for a student to be able to apply to that program. And as I mentioned, because grade 12 courses, a lot of them need the grade 11, it's important for students to look at this. So for program eligibility, you need English 4C or the equivalent. You need grade 12 math. You also need biology, and you also need chemistry. So the list here will guide students in making sure that they have the courses chosen for next year. So again, the Algonquin website is very user-friendly. If you're interested in attending a college in Ontario, but other than Algonquin, this is the site that you would use. Again, all this information is on the school website. For university, students will need to know that in grade 12, they will need a minimum of 6 courses, and those courses have to end with a U or an M. Again, what are some of the mandatory courses that you need for the program of interest? You will need to go to Ontario University's website. And very similar to the college search, you will click on programs. You can search by category, and it's listed from A to Z. You can also search by keywords, but this one also gives you the chance to search by university. So if you just want to stay in Ottawa, you might want to look just at programs that are offered at University of Ottawa and Carleton University. But for the purpose of this presentation, I just would like to show you, for example, if you're interested in business, if you go by the category, in Ontario, there are 262 programs related to business, and you have all the subdivisions after that. But do you want something in marketing? Do you want something in accounting? If I'm interested in accounting, I would click on accounting, and then they will give me the list of specific universities that offer an accounting program. If I want to, for example, maybe go to the Ontario Tech University, I will click on that. First tab here, just a general information. It gives you right away the average that students must have to be able to apply to that program. And then again here, very important, you will look at the requirements. And for this one, it's saying, as I mentioned, 6 4U credits. Every program requires English 4U. And for this program, it's asking students to either have the functions, the calculus, or the data management. Often they will also indicate a minimum average needed for those specific courses. So next steps, as you can see, this research it's very easy to do, the step by step, but it does take time. So please right now, take all the time that you need to do some research, look at the courses that are required, speak with your guidance counselor for clarification and some direction, talk to your subject teachers, also talk to your parents, share and discuss your choices. And if you have any questions, come and speak to us. We're here to help. Thank you so much.